सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ श्लोक नंबर 111 अक्रूरः पेशलो दक्षो दक्षिणक्षमिणां वरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभयः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः सन्तो जीवनः पर्यवस्थितः We saw the Uttarana that last class. Shaminam Varaha only over. Sorry. Shaminam Varaha 919 over. Shaminam Varaha means the one who forgives. Sarva Shakti Matvat Sakalaha Kriyaha Kartum Shamata iti. So the one who forgives all people, even they commit mistakes. Shaminam Varaha, he is the supreme one who forgets. Forgiveness is not so easy. Therefore we have to remember that Shaminam Varaha means Bhagavan alone is the one who forgives. So the next nama Vidvattamaha 920 Vidvattamaha. So Jnanam Sarvada Sarvagocharam Asya Asti iti Na Itaresham iti. Vidvattamaha means with means to know. Vidvat means the one who knows the Atma Swarupam, because he himself is Atma Swarupam. So Vidvat means the knowledge, the wise person. Who is wise person? Vidvatana Bhagavan. Not only ordinary Bhagavan, Vidvat Tamahan. Among so many wise people, there are so many Jnanis, wise people. We are all knowers of Brahman. Suppose all wise people are there. The Brahman himself, in Vishnu form, has taken, he is called Vidvat Tamaha. Vidvat Taraha, Tamaha means superlative degrees. Who can know other than him? His nature. He is an embodiment of that Swarupam. Therefore, Vidvat Tamaha, Lord Vishnu is the Vidvat Tamaha. Sarvagocharam Asya iti. Sarvagocharam means everything is present in him, in front of him. Sarvagocharam. What is Sarvagocharam? Whatever I am seeing is nothing other than Ishvara. So therefore, there is Ishvara alone is there. So who knows that? Bhagavan knows that. Bhagavan, when he is creating time itself, he knows everything is myself alone. Nothing is separate from me. Therefore, Bhagavan alone knows. We have to born as human beings, jivas, and get jnanam. Then only we realize. Bhagavan, by birth itself, he is taking avatara itself. That time itself he knows. Vidvattamaha. Then Lord Vishnu is called Vitabhayaha, 921. Vitabhayaha means, Vitam means Vigatam. Bhayam, the Bhayam, fear. Who is free from? Vitam means who is free from. Vigatam. Free from what? Samsarikam, samsara lakshanam. Samsarikam means ajnana. What is Ajnana? Body-mind complex is called Ajnana. Ahankara is Ajnana. When that ego comes, that body-mind, that Ahankara, that is called Samsara Lakshanam. That Ahankara alone, Nana, the Sarira, it gives birth to, again, next Janma. That Ajnana alone gives another Janma. Therefore, Samsara Lakshanam, Asya iti. So, he is free from the fear. This fear is nothing but it is a samsara lakshanam. Samsara means ajnana. Ajnana lakshanam is what? Bhayam. So as long as we have ajnana, there is fear. Ajnani is free from the fear of death, fear of old age, fear of insecurity, fear of anything. So as long as body I am, the feeling is there, the fear continue. So body is insecure all the time. How much money you have, you cannot stop old age, isn't it? You cannot keep body always under comfort. This is impossible. Similarly, mind also. So Gnani knows I am not this body which is insecure all the time, and I am not the mind which is always changing. Therefore, he is free from fear. So Bhagavan is one who is free from fear, and whoever the knowers of Brahman also free from fear. So Vidvat Tamaha Vita Bhayaha. Lord Vishnu is called Vita Bhayaha. Then Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. Vita Bhayaha means another commentary. Acharya writes Sarveshwaratvat Nitya Muktatvat. Sarveshwaraha. Why is Vita Bhayaha? Sarveshwara, Lord Vishnu is Sarveshwara, Ishvara, the master of all. Sarveshwara. Sarvanam Ishvara. Sarvesham Ishvara. So, he is the master of all, so he need not afraid of anyone. The like child has got fear. Whatever child sees. Mother is having fear? No. Mother is so mature, but child is not mature. So, Bhagavan, like mother and child, you keep the Bhagavan in the mother status. So, mother is knower of everything with compared to the child. Similarly, we are all like children. Bhagavan is like a mother. Sarvesham Ishvaraha. That is the reason he is free from fear. And Nitya Muktatvat. He is ever free. Nitya Mukta. Bhagavan ke eppudu moksham vandadana. Namakku da moksham varanam. Eppo varadena data idella. Bhagavan Nitya Mukta. Even Gnani also, Gnana vandadukapram, what he knows, no? I am already Muktaha. I was thinking I am not Muktaha. The secret. Gnana Paraparyantam, Varavarak Namaka, Ayo Epo Muktanaha Porano, Epo Gnana Varapordo, and Ure Kavalaya Irko. Gnana vandadukapram, Nan Muktani illa and Nenchitrinda, Munadi. Jnana vandadukapram, now I have understood I am ever muktaha. Nabandho, then Manobuddhahankara, we have seen as Nirvana Shatkam. Mumukshruhu, Namuktihi, he says that in the slokas. No moksha, no guru, no sishya. But adepona, the status vandadukapram da solla mudiyum. Even though you say just lip movement, it won't work. With understanding it should come. So, Punya Shravana Kirtanaha means Punyam Punyakaram Shravanam Kirtanam Cha Asya iti. (922) Punyam means Pavitramanani, Punyakarmana, Shravanam Kirtanam. By listening, by praising the Lord, Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. So, people whoever glorifies him, listens about him, about the Lord, Punyam Shravanam Kirtanam. You have to listen about the Paramatma, the glories. Kirtanam, then praise. Kirtikirde. If you have poetry writing capacity, write songs as poems you can write and praise. If you don't have that capacity, just you praise through the namas. So by praising, by listening, that which who gives punya, therefore punya Shravana Kirtanaha. The giver of punya, by whose name, by listening and praising, he gives punya. What is punya? Ultimate punya? Jnanam. This kirtanam, Shravanam Kirtanam leads to Jnanam. Therefore, Lalita Sahasranama, Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhagavad Gita, chanting, all will slowly create interest in studying Shastra, either this Janma or next Janma. So, if you get in this Janma itself, by this simple studies, chanting and all, slowly you will get interest in studying what is this Brahman, who is this God, and interest ever. If you sit in front of the TV all the time, இந்த மாதிரி chanting, சிரவணம் கிடையாது, கீர்த்தனம் கிடையாது, அந்த டிசைர் எப்போ வர முடியும்? வராது. அதனால தான் அந்த டிசைர் வரதுக்காக தான் நம்ம கல்ச்சரில் சின்ன வயசுலேருந்தே சாண்டிங்கு, பூஜை, ஏதோ ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன ஸ்லோகமாவது சொல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவான். இந்த ஸ்லோகம் சொல்கிறதா பரமாவதி இல்லை. அந்த ருத்ரம் படி, இது படி, இன்னும் பாராயணம் பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லுவான்னா, அட்லீஸ்ட் அது பண்ணுங்க, அது கொஞ்சமாவது ஆஃப்டர் 50 years அட்லீஸ்ட் யூ வில் கெட் டிசைர் டு கெட் மோக்ஷா. இதுதான் our people's concept is this. People have forgotten that. So many Uttamas, Adhikaris only come out of that and catch the next step. So, Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. Shravanadi Phalavachanatana. Because this is the phalam. What is the ultimate phalam? Moksha is the ultimate phalam. So, how will get moksha? By chanting, you will like to listen more and more. And the Chitta Shuddhi vandadanaala, I want to listen more Bhagavad Gita, I want to know about God, I want to know about the creation. What is this creation? And the மாதிரி ஒரு desire வரதுக்கு இந்த Chitta Shuddhi help பண்ணும். So the Chitta Shuddhi வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம், இந்த desire வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம், who will teach like that? Who will you search for Guru? And you are searching, Bhagavan also providing you, and you will get a Guru and you start studying. Because you have Chitta Shuddhi, mind is steady. இதுதான் எனக்கு வேணும், நான் இப்படி தான் படிக்கணும்னு நினச்சேன். That is why you will get the Guru. Slowly you start studying, and slowly when you are studying, then you come to understand. Next, Uttaranaha, 923. Uttaranaha means one who takes the beings to the other shore of samsara. Samsara is compared like an ocean. This is one side shore, that is another side bank shore. So from this side, you have to samsara, you have to cross and go that side. So you have entered into the samsara, janma marana cycle. So if you cross this, there is no janma marana again. Clear? Samsara. So here taranam means crossover. Uttaranaha means Lord Vishnu is the one who takes you from this shore to that shore. And anartham, he will make you from this janma marana cycle and he will take you there in a moksha, to that side moksha. Really speaking, janma marana this side, moksha that side kadiyad. Janma marana is the cause for all problems. So realize that you have no janma and marana. I am Atma. And Thirinjakrada, crossing over the samsara. That crossing over samsara is understanding level, at the intellectual level. I understand. I am not body, I am not mind. I am ever Satchidananda Atma Swarupaha. That concept comes, that understanding comes, you have crossed. You have crossed the Ajnana, which is the mind, body-mind complex. Who helps for that? Lord Ishvara only helps for that. What happens there? You understand, world is different from me, God is different from me. This concept is there previously. I am a miserable human being. Once you get the Jnanam because of Ishvara Krupa, and you understand that Ishvara is none other than myself, and I am not different from Ishvara. So Bhagavan is not away from me. Where is question of fear? Where is the question of insecurity? So this is called Uttaranaha. Bhagavan is one who helps you to take you to give the understanding in your mind. இப்படி சொன்ன புரியாத இன்டெலெக்சுவல் லெவல் சொல்லி ஒரு கடல் மாதிரி வச்சுட்டு ஓஷனு sit in the boat, samsara boat, you have to cross there, and if you cross there, that is heaven, you will get moksha. If you go to இப்படியெல்லாம் ஸ்டோரி சொல்லணும் பிகினிங்ல. இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோரி சொல்லலான்னா கிளாஸ்க்கு யாரும் வரமாட்டா. அதனால புராணாஸ் எல்லாம் தேசே டெல் த ஸ்டோரிஸ். அண்ட் அந்த ஸ்டோரியோட பரமார்த்தம் என்னென்ன, நிஜமா ஓஷன் இருக்க, நிஜமா போட் இருக்க, நிஜமா பகவான் இஸ் கோயிங் டு டேக் யூன்னு. இதெல்லாம் எல்கேஜி யூகேஜி லெசனு. அது எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? இதுதான் அல்டிமேட்ல. இது புரியுறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அந்த ஸ்டோரியில் பழகி 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 பகவான் அங்கே இருக்கார், நான் போகிறேன், ஐ எம் கோயிங்கன்னு அது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கும். இல்லை பகவான் அங்கே எங்கேயும் இல்லையப்பா, நீ தான் அந்த பகவான் புரிஞ்சுக்கோன்னு சொன்னா என்ன ஸ்டோரி கேட்டு கேட்டு ரொம்ப நாள் பழகிட்டான். அதே மாதிரி அந்த கிராசிங் ஓவர் ஓஷன், பகவான் எப்போ வர போகிறாரோ, when he is going to catch my hand, when he is going to take me, give moksha, and if I get moksha I will get lot of powers. அப்போ நான் I am going to bless all people. இது பிகாஸ் எனக்கு பவர்ஸ் வரும், பகவான் எனக்கு பவர்ஸ் கொடுத்தாருன்னா தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ரியல் பிளெஸ்ஸிங்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தட்ஸ் வை மூடாஹான்னு சொல்லுவோம். சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் these people are all called மூடாஹா, powers siddhikaha, and they thinks I am God sent person. God fathers and வராரு இப்போ நிறைய பேர். God fathers வந்து என்ன பண்றாங்க, they are mesmerizing the people to become get name and fame. இதெல்லாம் பெரிய அஜ்ஞானம். ஆர்டினரி சம்சாரியாக இருந்து பெட்டரு. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் வேஷம் போட்டு சமாஜத்துக்கு வந்து நான் ஐ ஹவ் சென்ட் பை காட், ஸோ ஐ ஹவ் கம் ஹியர் டு சேவ் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூன்னு சொன்ன உடனே அது ரொம்ப மோசமானது. அதுதானே சரி. So God, these are all concept in Puranas. All these are all only to make people mediocre people. Mediocre. So Uttamadhaka Adhikari is one. He starts at the thinking level. At the Madhyama level it is okay. Puranas idhar chalta hai. You know, as long as you don't think, it all will work. But you start thinking, who is this God, who is sitting heaven, who created this heaven, what he is doing, why he created. If you start ask questions like this, these people cannot stand for these questions. That's why this type of thinking will never stand for these logical questions. So what we say, these all will help you. Once your intellect start thinking, that time you have to come to Shastra, no other way. That is why now modern generation, younger people, they don't have belief in the Lord. What you are telling? Krishna Dwarakala paranditara, yaar sonnaru? They will ask you. Because you cannot stand in front of them. It is in your concept to all these Puranas cannot stand for logical, intellectual reasoning. So intellectual reasoning thought you have to stand means you have to come to the Shastra. That's why don't criticize the Puranas. Get the benefit from the Puranas, the stories, everything. Come to Shastra, study intellectually, understand. Because what they are not understanding, that's why they criticize the Puranas. They say there is no God. If you don't understand now properly, you are not doing justice to even Purana, you are not doing justice to Shastra. Understand? Therefore, understand the real nature of the Lord. Therefore, Lord is Uttaranaha. Then Dushkrutiha. Dushkrutihi. And Papa Sannitaha Hanti iti. Dushkritihi means the doers of Papa. Whoever do sin. The sinners do any unrighteous, wrong actions, evil actions. Dushkriti, Papa Karyam. Hanti iti, he destroys. The Lord is one who destroys the people who perform evil actions, bad actions. How he destroys? இப்போவே டெஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணுவாரா? எப்போ டெஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணுவார்னு அவருக்கு தெரியும். எந்த டைமுக்கு டெஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணணும், எப்படி டெஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணணும் అని భగవాన్కి தெரியும். So even evil actions means not only physically, verbally also. If you talk evil words verbally, use abuse words and all, that God will punish. And if you, even thought level also, evil thoughts, bad thoughts, that and all comes, God will destroy that. That is why Dushkritiha, Lord Vishnu is called Dushkritiha, the one who destroys the bad people, who performs evil actions. Then the next nama, Punyaha. So Dushkritiha na Papakarinaha Tan Hanti. Papakarinaha means the sinners of the Papam, the doers of Papam. Hanti. Therefore he is called Dushkritiha. Punyaha now 925 25. Punyaha means Smaranadi Kurvatam Sarvesham Punyam Karoti. Smaranadi, by remembering him, Smaranadi Kurvatam Sarvesham Punyam Karoti. Whoever remembers him, he will do good to them. Punyam Karoti means he gives punyam to them, to those people. Sarvesham Punyam Karoti. He gives punyam. How he gives punyam? By whoever remembers. Smaryatam. Smaranadi Kurvatam. Smarana Adi means Smaranam, Kirtanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, all Navarasa Bhakti. 9 types of bhaktis. So you have to listen about his glories. Glories in the Bhagavata Kadamad Kekradilla is the real glory. Ultimate glory is Jnanam. என்ன உபனிஷத்து கிளாஸில் விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாம கிளாஸில் ஒன்றும் க்ளோரி கிடையாது, அங்கே வேறு எங்கேயாவது போய் கேட்கலாம்னு அல்ல. தட் இஸ் ஃபார் மீடியோக்கர். த ரியல் க்ளோரி ஆஃப் த லார்ட் இஸ் திஸ் ஓன்லி, knowing his true nature. So after knowing the true nature, you come to enjoy all other glories also. But those people cannot understand this glory. But a Jnani can enjoy other glories. The mediocre person cannot understand that higher intellect, understanding person. But the higher intellect person can understand the mediocre person's level. So here Bhagavan is the one who gives punya. The Sarvesham Shruti Smruti Lakshanaya Vacham Punyamachashta iti. Sarvesham. Why Lord is called Punyaha? Lord Vishnu is called Punyaha because Sarvesham, for all people, he gives the mandate. Shruti Smruti. Shruti means Veda. Smruti means other granthas. Bhagavad Gita, all Puranas. Shruti Smruti Lakshanaya Vacha. Through the Vedas, through the other texts, Smrutis, Vacha, by his words. No, Bhagavan revelations only Vedas. So through his revelations, Punyamachashta, whoever gives Vedas and Smritis and how to live a life, holy life, pious life. Veda, if you study Smriti only, Puranas, all this only helps you to live a right life, conduct life, right conduct. That only helps the person. So, Punyamachashta itiva punyaha. There are two meanings in Mata. If you remember the Lord also, you will get punyam. That is why Lord is called punyaha. He gives punyam. Lord is called punyaha because he gives the Vedas and Smritis by which whoever follows the Veda, that gives punya. That's why Bhagavan is called punyaha. Then Duswapna Nashanaha. Swapna dream. Duswapna bad dream. Evil dreams. கெட்ட கனவு எல்லாம் வருதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லை, கெட்ட கனவுன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு 4 நாள் தூங்கவே மாட்டான். The bad dreams comes, you go on thinking about that only. Why? Our common belief is, if I get dreams, it means going to happen. Future things are going to reveal in the dream anu தெரியும். ஒரு வாட் நமக்கு தோணும் மனசுக்கு. அதனே ஒரு நமக்கு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு. அதனால Bhagavan says here, Bhagavan Acharya says, Bhavinaha anardhasya suchakan. Bhavinaha na future. Anardha na danger. ஃப்யூச்சரில் வரப்போகிற டேஞ்சர்னு சூச்சகான் இந்த ஸ்வப்னம் மூலமாக தெரியப்படுகிறது, வெளிப்படுறது. தட் இஸ் ஒரு கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. ஸோ பாவினः அனர்த்தஸ்ய சூச்சகான், that is called dusswapna. The danger which is going to come in the future, it comes in the dream itself. That is called dusswapna. And the dusswapnam nashayati, the one who Lord Vishnu destroys that dusswapna. And the dusswapna varamale panva. How he does? Dhyataha stutaha kirtitaha pujitaha cha iti. Whoever performs meditation, dhyata, and stutaha praises, kirtitaha also praises, stutaha means stutikirde, kirtitaha means also praising, one type of praising, pujitaha means worshipping. Whoever meditates on him, whoever praises him, whoever worships him, such type of people's dusswapnam he will destroy. That is why our people says, before going to sleep, at least meditate few minutes. ஸ்லோகமாவது படி, பகவான் நினச்சிக்கோ. அதுக்காக ஆஞ்சநேயர் ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு. துஸ்வப்னம் வராமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக ஆஞ்சநேயருக்கு ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் சொல்லிட்டுனா துஸ்வப்னம் வராது. ஏன்னா துஸ்வப்னம் வந்தேன்னா இட் வில் டிஸ்டர்ப் யுவர் மைண்ட் so much. Therefore Bhagavan is the one who helps you. Therefore wash your legs before going to sleep. Wash your legs and remember the Lord, do namaskara to him and sleep. Then you won't get dusswapna. That is why our people says, idella yaar nambra ippon. If you don't do all these things, all whatever you have thought of in the throat that day, that only comes in the sleep also. So if you remember the Lord, the last thought irukliyo Bhagavan nenchina thought adu continue agum. அதுக்கு தான் all other thoughts நமக்கு அறியாமல் ஏதாவது இருந்தால் கூட அது எல்லாமே switch off. Now switch on the Lord's praise, dhyanam, and that continue in the sleep. Understand? That is the benefit of remembering the Lord at the time of before going to sleep. Dusswapna nashana. And the dusswapna vandana, he will cry and shout also in the dream. People, then Veeraha 927. Vividhaha samsarinam gatihi mukti pradanena hanti. Lord Vishnu is called Veeraha because Vividhaha samsarinam gatihi. Vividhaha means different types of ajnanam. Has taken so many janmas, lives, so many lives he has taken and came. Gatihi means அப்படி நடந்து இப்படி நடந்து so many janmas he has taken. Buffalo janma, dog, குரங்கோ, கருப்பாம்பூச்சியோ என்ன பூச்சியோ தெரியாது, என்னென்ன ஜன்மலை எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருக்கா. He has taken lot of janmas. Vividhani samsarinam gatihina. கத்தி என்ன என்ன கத்தியோ என்ன கத்தின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ நம்ம, என்னமா இந்த மாதிரி கத்தி என்ன இது ஒரு கத்தியா, so many janmas, so many gatis. That is why he says vividhaha samsarinam gatihi. What Bhagavan says, mukti pradanena hanti. By giving mukti, he destroys all these gatis. You have done lot of sanchita karma irukilliya, mootai papa karma, enna the papa mootai whatever is there he will destroy. How he will destroy? Our boy, he will fight with your sanchita karma. Mukti pradanena anu sonar. Lord Vishnu is called Veeraha. He gives mukti to you and that mukti will burn the sanchita karma. Which sanchita karma is cause for the main gatis. Again, if sanchita karma is there, again you will get so many births. Buffalo, palmo, lizard, balliyo, gilliyo, enna theriyadu. How many creatures, cruel creatures are there, animals are there, wild animals. If you see those animals, you cannot eat for a few days. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஜென்மம் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த சமுத்திரத்தில் இருக்க, மண்ணில் இருக்க, கீழே இருக்க, நிறைய இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது அதெல்லாம் டேஞ்சர். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் இல்லை, he will destroy by giving mukti. Mukti pradanena hanti iti Veeraha. వివిధాः సంసారిణాం గతిః ముక్తిప్రదానేన హంతి ఇది. దెన్ రక్షణః. రక్షణః మీన్స్ the one who protects. సత్వం గుణమధిష్టాయ జగత్రయం రక్షం. సో సత్వగుణమధిష్టాయ, by taking sattva guna only helps to get mukti. If sattva guna is not there, it is very difficult. So sattva guna adhishtaya jagattrayam rakshata. Bhagavan is one who takes that sattva guna predominantly. By taking sattva guna predominantly, he protects the all three lokas: bhuloka, bhuvarla swargaloka and patadaloka. Three lokas you can take. 14 lokas venda included. So rakshanaha, who is protecting. So the sattva gunam is important to protect anyone. To say adana save pannumanna sattva gunam only do, not tamo guna rajo guna. To protect others, to save others, even Bhagavan also have to take own up that sattva guna. And sattva guna konchadu sadhu swabhavam illanna, you can never help other people. Even we also, sattva guna is not there, soft nature, sattva romba sadhu swabhavam illanna, you never help other persons. So therefore, to help others, you require a sattva guna. The rajo guna is that always taking protection from others, not helping. We want depend on others. Tamo guna also never helps others and destroys others. Rajo guna also. That's why Bhagavan Ishvara also, Vishnu as Ishvara, if you take, Vishnu Ishvara is also predominantly by three gunas. Trigunatmika Maya and Sulamile, and the Maya Bhagavan la kuda irukku. That Maya la tamo guna rajo guna vittittu, and he has to be overpowered by sattva guna, then only Bhagavan protects. That's why Bhagavan sattva guna adhishtaya jagattrayam rakshanaha. Then santaha. Santaha means sanmargavartinaha. Santaha. Santaha means noble people, good people. Nallavar and solluvalle. Santaha. Sant enna sattulanda sant vandadu. The one Sat is the Bhagavanudaya Rupam. Sat existence. He is the Brahmanudaya Lakshanam. Sat irukku. Irukku enna Brahman da irukku ellam. Irukku nu sollanum eppome illanu sollakudadu eduvume. Irukku sonna enna we are remembering the Bhagavan. Irukku nu sollanum eppome illanu sonna enna aidum Bhagavan illanu poidum. அதனால யாராவது வந்து ஏதாவது கேட்டினா இல்லைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. நம்முடைய கல்ச்சரில் அது பாருங்க, ஹவ் இட் ஹேஸ் கம்னு. இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் என்ன, பிரம்மன் இருக்கான்னு ரிமைண்ட் பண்ணுறது. யாருமே ஏதாவது வீட்டுக்கு வந்து கேட்டால் இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேன், இருக்குன்னு சொல்லணும். ஸோ அந்த சத்து மீன்ஸ் த பீப்புள் ஹூ ஆல்வேஸ் திங்ஸ் அபவுட் திஸ் சத்து இருக்கார், பிரம்மன் இருக்கார், ஈஸ்வர இருக்கார் இருக்கார் யாரைతే எப்போ ஹூ ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் திங்கிங், தோஸ் பீப்புள் ஆர் கால்டு சந்தஹான். தத் சிந்தனம், பகவத் சிந்தனமே எப்போவுமே. whenever they talk, open their mouth, they talk about Bhagavan. Wherever they go for the sake of Bhagavan. Any movement, any action, whatever they do, they are called santaha. Sanmarga vartinaha, they are all sanmarga means sat marga, sanmarga. Sat marga means good path, right path. What is the right path? Whatever takes you towards the Lord, whatever takes your mind towards the Lord is called sanmarga. So otherwise is not sanmargam. If you are not thinking about the Lord, you are not doing good thing, you are not taking any action for the sake of Lord, anything that is otherwise is not sanmargam. They are not called santaha. This sanmarga vartinaha means the one who goes in the right path, right marga. They are called sanmarga vartinaha. Tadrupena vidya vinaya vruddhaye saeva vartata iti. Tadrupena. Tadrupena means in the form of santaha. In the form of santaha. Vidya vinaya vruddhaye. Lord Vishnu is called santaha Because in the form of Santaha, wise people, he stays. Lord Vishnu comes and stay in the form of a wise person, as a Gnani, as a Mahatma, as a Sannyasi. He stays. Why he stays? Vidya Vinaya Vruddhaye Sayeva Vartata iti. Because if this Bhagavan comes and stay in these people and he shows Vidya, knowledge irukku, Vinayam irukku ivarukku, Vidya Vinayam irukku. So by seeing this person, other people also will develop Vidya, Vinayam, Vriddhi ஆகும் அவங்களுக்கு கூட. அதனால பகவான் அந்த பர்சன் சந்த ரூபமா இருக்கு, ஞானி ரூபமா அவர்ல இருந்து and helps the other people to develop Vidya and Vinayam. Because Vidya, Vinayam இருக்கிற இடத்துல தான் மோட்சமே வரும். Vidya, knowledge இல்லாமலே Vinayam இல்லாமலே மோட்சம் வராது. So Bhagavan comes in the form of a Gnani, a Mahatma, a Santaha, and he stays in their body. And if their presence is there, people will develop Vinayam and Vidya. They get Vinayam and Vidya, they try for moksha. Therefore Bhagavan is called Santaha. Why we do namaskara to Santaha? Santaha, Mahatma, Sannyasi, Sannyasinis are none other than Ishvara. Because Vidya, Vinayam, பூந்திருக்கு அவங்களுக்குள்ள. அது மூலமா அவங்க பார்த்து நம்ம கூட we also can walk in their path, and by walking in their path we also get that knowledge. So what a beautiful name, Santaha. Then Jeevanaha. So this is clear, no? Vidya Vinaya Vruddhaye Sayeva Vartata iti. Lord Vishnu alone remain in the form of Santaha. Vidya Vinaya Vruddhaye for other people. Sayeva Vartata. He is called Santaha. So that's why Santahan Bhagavan engeyo paathu we should not insult here the Gnani, Sannyasi, Swamiji. Other day one person asking, all sannyasis without Gnanam, many are there. But Shastra says, even though that sannyasi have Gnanam or not, if you see a sannyasi, do namaskara. இப்படி சொல்லிருக்கே அப்படி பண்ணணுமான்னு கேட்குறான். Somebody is asking. So how do you know that person is Gnani or not? Unless you are a Gnani, you cannot know that person is Gnani or not. So that we cannot ask whether this person is Gnani or not, to do namaskara or not. How can you know? Unless you are a Gnani, you cannot know that person is a Gnani. That's why never doubt. A sannyasi, a Mahatma, never doubt. If I have doubt means I am away from that moksha. That's all. That's why when I surrender, when I do namaskara, nothing I am going to lose. Nothing that person is going to get. If by surrendering, I am only going to get Vinayam and Vidya. See, what a benefit. That's why people have to come out of ego first. And the ego, போகிறதுக்காக நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு, அடிக்கடி நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். மனசில் பண்ணணும், கையால் பண்ணணும், சாஷ்டாங்கம் அப்படி பண்ணணும், வெர்பலாக சொல்லணும், நமஸ்காரம்னு சொல்லணும். வெர்பல்லி மனசா வாச்சா கர்மனா டூ எகெயின் 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 நமஸ்காரம். நமக்கு தெரியாது எந்த இதில் எந்த பாம்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த மாதிரி யார் எங்கே ஞானம் இருக்குன்னு நமக்கே தெரியாதே. ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் அடக்கமாக இரு. டோன்ட் டவுட் அதர்ஸ். ஸோ மகாத்மாஸ் எங்கேயும் தே காண்ட் கம் லைக் திஸ், டேசிலிங் லைட் மாதிரி பிச்சைக்காரன் மாதிரி இருப்பா. இது சிம்பிளாக இருப்பா. கூட்டமே இருக்காது, அவருக்கு யாருமே வரமாட்டா, யாருமே கேட்க மாட்டான். we think இவருக்கு யாருமே வரலையே, இவருக்கு ஞானம் இல்லையான்னு இருக்கு. நிறைய பேர் வராரு, இவருக்கு நிறைய ஞானம் இருக்கான்னு. யூ cannot judge like that. If you judge wrongly, you are the only loser. Better not to judge. Better not to judge. ஜீவன no doubt, சம்சயமே இருக்கக்கூடாது. நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும். பகவான் எனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, I am surrendering to everyone because all forms are yours forms. But your form is manifesting in this person who has taken sannyasa. More it is manifesting. That's why I do more namaskaras. That's all. This is the Vinayam. That the person who is a Gnani, who is always teaching Vedanta, who is always talking about Bhagavan, Ramayana, Bharatam teaching, he is more manifesting. Bhagavan Rupam is more manifesting. Therefore, I do namaskara. Clear? So, everywhere he is manifesting, but 25-watt bulb also electricity is there, but 1000 watts also bulb electricity is there. But where electricity is more manifesting, எங்கே ஜாஸ்தியாக பிரகாசம் வருதோ அங்கிருந்து மேனிஃபெஸ்டிங். தேர்ஃபோர் பகவான் பிரம்மன் எல்லா இடத்துல இருக்காரு. அப்போ நான் இவருக்கு மட்டும் ஏன் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும், எல்லா இடத்துக்கு பண்ணலாமே என்ன? அப்படி இல்லை, இவரில் மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கு. இப்போ எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னாலே அது மாதிரி. ஸோ தனியாக எக்ஸ்ட்ரா நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு. அங்கே இங்கே பண்ணுற நமஸ்காரம் வேறு, இவருக்கு நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும். சும்மா நமஸ்காரம் இல்லை, அவருக்கு என்னென்ன வேணுமோ அதெல்லாம் பண்ணி அவர் பண்ண அவர் ப்ரெசன்ஸ் யூ வில் கெட் தேர் ப்ரெசன்ஸ். And they, if you please them, they will open their mouth and they talk something. If they talk something, you can listen. If you listen, you will get moksha. Satsangatve nissangatvam nissangatve nirmohatvam. Chumma sonnala enna? Very, very great. Jeevanaha sarve sarvaha prajnaha prajaha sorry sarvaha prajaha prana rupena jeevayan. Jeevanaha means the Lord Vishnu is called one who supports the beings. அவர் சப்போர்ட் பண்றார் in the form of pranam. உயிர்னு சொல்றோம் இல்ல, உயிர் prana, in the form of prana. sarvaha prajaha, all beings. Prajaha means not only human beings, all beings. That's why we never try to hurt other beings. அதிலோ பகவான் இருக்கார். ஒன்றும் பண்ணாதேன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையோ. இது நமக்கு ரொம்ப உயிருக்கு ஆபத்து வந்து தான் பண்ணுவோம் தவிர சும்மா போய் அதை அடைக்கக்கூடாது எப்போவுமே. அதுக்கு சார் சர்வாக பிரஜாக பிராணரூபேண, இந்த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் பிராணா, பிராணரூபேண ஜீவயன். ஸோ இந்த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் பிராணா பகவான் இஸ் தேர் இன் எவ்ரி பீயிங், இஸ் மேனிஃபெஸ்டிங். ஹியர் ஆல்சோ பகவான் இஸ் தேர், இந்த மைக் ஆல்சோ பகவான் இஸ் தேர். But it is not manifesting in the Vadamala, it is manifesting. Trees, it is manifesting. In the cat, rat, all this is manifesting. That's why we are. So we should not hurt. Bhagavan irkar. If you are hurting them means you are hurting Bhagavan. Yeah, our prana rupana idla irkar. Don't hurt. Then Jeevanaha. Next one, 931. Paryavasthitaha. Paryavastitaha means one who remains pervading everywhere in this universe. Correct irka meaning? He is looking book. Correct irka? Paritaha sarvataha. Paritaha means why paryavastitaha? Pari means sarvataha. All directions. Four directions we have. East, west, north, south. Then 4 corner directions. Eashanyam, Nairuti, all these 4. Total 8 directions. So all sarvataha paritaha. Vishwam vyapya avasthitaha. Vishwam vyapya means, Vishwam means universe. Vyapya means pervading. Vishwam vyapya means by pervading the whole universe. Avasthitaha means he remains. Just as the gold pervades in the chain. Where gold pervading? In the chain. Which place gold is pervading? The whole chain gold is pervading. Clear? This is wood dusk. Where is wood pervading in this dusk? Everywhere. In the whole dusk, everywhere wood is pervading. So similarly the whole Jagat, all beings and non-living beings and living beings, everyone who is Lord is pervading in. Just like Sutre Manigana iva. And the beads irukilaya, and the mala eppadi in the sutram thread irukum. But pervading, intertwined and madre. So therefore, Lord is also pervading and staying in this creation. So he is inside, he is in you, he is epdiye irukar ulla ella jeevan. In between also we cannot see. That is not visible for these eyes. So this Bhagavan is pervading. Paryavasthitaha. Next sloka we'll read. Anantarupo Nantashri Jitamanyur Bhayapaham चतुरश्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः अनन्तः अनन्तरूपः अनन्तः means infinite unlimited न अन्तः no limitation अनन्त रूपः means forms अनन्तानि रूपाणि यस्य अनन्तरूपः विश्वप्रपञ्चरूपेण स्थितः अस्य इति विश्व means universe प्रपञ्चरूपेण who is in the form of Anantamana, limitless form. No limit for that form. We have limit or not? Our form has got limit. Everything has got limit. But Bhagavan form, there is no limit. Therefore, in Vamana Avatara, it shows no limitation. He occupied all the lokas. One leg here, one leg on the top. And Bali said 3 feet. Where to keep third one? He occupied by 2 feet. Third feet, what he said to? Bhagavan, you are only pervading everywhere. How can I give you place in? How can I give you? So, I have given you a word, I will give you, but everything is yours. This head is also yours only. My whole body is yours. Keep that third foot on my head. Therefore, Bhagavan is Anantahana. Don't limit the Bhagavan in that form. Rama form, Krishna form. In the form of vechiti, don't keep him in prison lifelong. So therefore, that form worship is only to understand. So, Bhagavan virthama irukum. If you go on keeping the Bhagavan in that, constrained form, eppadi irukum. So, Bhagavan kuda velila varanum irukkum illi aasya. இந்த பக்தனை இங்கே தவிர வேறு இடத்துல பார்க்க மாட்டாளே நான் என்ன చెప్పి he is also have a கவலைனா let my bhakta should see me everywhere let my bhakta should grow. He is seeing only in his puja room, not outside. Seeing only outside, not is in himself. భగవాన్ కష్టమా இருக்குமா இருக்காదా? భగవాన్ సంతోషపెట్టడం ఒరే ఒక మార్గం దా జ్ఞానం. ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ జ్ఞానం, Bhagavan is so happy. That is the only marga. Not by your tengai elimichapalam. Adellame koncham satisfaction. Therefore, Ananta Rupaha Vishwa Prapancha Rupena Sthitaha. He is in the form of universe alone. Avariki enna form alla. What form Bhagavan has got? Enna form? Avariki enna form illan sollu. Ananta Rupam. Ella Rupam avarda. You are also that avataram one. You are also that avataram. I also that is avataram one. All forms me, Bhagavan video forms da. How many forms are there now? Tell me. Many forms. Millions of forms are there. Anantam. Countless forms are there. Therefore, Bhagavan is called Ananta Rupaha. Limitless forms he has got. Then Anantaha Aparamita Shrihi. Ananta Shrihi. Ananta Shrihi and again limitless. Aparimitam. Parimitam and limitation. Aparimitam and limitless, immeasurable. Ananta Shrihi. What is immeasurable here? Not only forms. His power is also immense, infinite. Glory also. Shakti Shrihi. Shrihi means power. Shakti is power. Shrihi means glory, Vaibhavam. His glory is having infinite glory. One form ke konjam glory irukkumbodhu, when he is having all forms, how much glory? You have power or not in your body? Kaila power irukka illaya? Irukku. Every one of us having Shakti. Power irukku. Shakti is there. And every one of us having some glory. ஏதோ ஒரு க்ளோரியாவது இருக்காமல் இருக்குமா? ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் ஹேவிங் க்ளோரி ஆல்சோ, வைபவம். ஸோ ஒன் ஃபார்முக்கே இவ்வளோ க்ளோரி பவர் இருக்கும்போது, வென் பகவான், ஆல் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆர் பகவான்ஸ் ஃபார்ம்ஸ், ஹவு மச் க்ளோரி? இன்ஃபினிட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ்னா இன்ஃபினிட் க்ளோரி, இன்ஃபினிட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ்னா இன்ஃபினிட் பவர். இன்ஃபினிட் ஃபார்ம்ஸில் இன்ஃபினிட் பவர் இருக்கு. எல்லா ஃபார்ம்ல ஒரு பவர். ஆல் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் பவர் புட் டுகெதர், we are like drops நினைச்சுக்கோங்களேன். we are like drops. you put all drops put together in the ocean. Ocean is so big, vast. Similarly, all these jivas, all these beings, whole universe, all brahmandam, all the solar energy, planets, everything put together, all 14 lokas, how much power? Can you imagine? Can never. So ananta shrihi enna jitamanyuhu 934 jitamanyuhu manyuhu means krodha, kobam. Jitaha means the one who conquered, overcome, come out of anger. The Lord Vishnu is one who is free from that anger, or who overcomes the anger, one who has conquered the anger, called Jitamanyuhu. That is why anger, మరి రామருக்கு కోపం வந்தது என்ன? இந்த கோபம்ல கூட டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு. To possess something, I want something, if I don't get anger is different. That is called binding desire. When I am not able to fulfill binding desire, I will get anger for my sake. For the sake of society, for the sake of all beings' well-being, if I get krodha, it is not krodha. Rama got krodha on Samudra not for his sake. He wants to destroy adharma, to kill Ravana. So I want to cross the ocean, so you have to give the way. Adila krodha vanda tappilla. That is a manifestation of Bhagavan, Ishwara's glory, that is. So when you get anger for the establishment of dharma, it's like anger comes as though it was, but it's not inside. See, that is the difference between Bhagavan's anger. And if I say Jitamanyuhu சொன்ன உடனே, when you are going on the way, இந்த ராமர் கோபம் வந்ததே, சுவாமி சொல்லலையே, அவருக்கு கோபம் வந்தது, அப்போ நமக்கு கூட வரலாம் நினைப்போம் இல்லையோ? அதுக்கு தான் இப்படி சொல்கிறேன் கதை. அந்த ராமர் கோபம் வந்ததுன்னா இதுதான் காரணம். தர்ம ரக்ஷணார்த்தம், லோக சங்கிரகார்த்தம், if you get anger as though you show, you pretend anger. Actually you are not angry person. You pretend as though angry. அப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Durvasaருக்கு anger வருது, and don't compare with those people. There is a meaning if they get anger. நமக்கு anger வருது, என்ன மீனிங் இருக்குன்னு? இல்லை ஸ்வார்த்தம் தான், நல்ல செல்ஃபிஷ்னஸ், ஈகோ, லைக்ஸ் அண்ட் டிஸ்லைக். ஃபார் தட் சேக் we get anger. We get anger on a person if you doing harm to others. எப்படியாவது வருது நம்ம கோபம், அவனு போய் கெடுதல் பண்ணுறான், அவனு மேலே கோபம் வந்தேன்னா அந்த கோபம் இஸ் ஏ லெஜிட்டிமேட் கோபம், வரலாம் அந்த கோபம், தப்பில்லை. பட் இந்த கோபம் என்னன்னா, யாராவது எனக்காவது ஏதாவது கொடுக்கலன்னா எனக்கு கோபம் வரும்னு. தட் இஸ் நாட் லெஜிட்டிமேட் ஆங்கர். ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் ஜிதமன்யுஹு. தென் பயாபஹ. பயாபஹ மீன்ஸ் பயம் சம்சாரஜம், பயம் சம்சாரஜம் பும்சாம் apagnan. Apagnan, bhayam samsarajam, the bhayam that which is caused by the samsarajam. Jammana born out of samsara. Samsara jamman, it is born out of samsara. The bhaya, the fear which is born out of ignorance. Samsara means what? Avidya, ajnana means samsara. அந்த சம்சார அவித்யா மூலமா, அந்த அஜ்ஞானம் மூலமா வந்த பயம், சம்சாரஜம் பயம். தட் பயம், ஃபார் whom it is coming in, Pumsam. Pumsam, no, for a person. Apagnan nashayati. Han, to destroy. Apagnan, to destroy. One who destroys the fear, that which is born out of samsara. How he destroys fear? Now you know, by giving jnana. And he gets jnana. When he gets jnana, he is free from samsara. When he is free from samsara, the samsara caused fear will be go away. Jnana. நான் பிரதர்ஷனம் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பேன் லைஃப் லாங்னா பயம் போகாது. பயம் இன்னும் ஜாஸ்தி ஆகுது. பீப்புள், the fear is increasing. The more you are worshipping Lord, the fear is increasing. என்ன அர்த்தம்? There is something wrong in my understanding about Ishvara. Are you getting the point? Bhagavan Lord Vishnu is Bhayapahan, who is the destroyer of fear. But where am I as a bhakta? I am having fear. If you are having as a bhakta, fear means Bhagavan is not fulfilling that word, Bhayapaha word ki justify panna Bhagavan anardham. Illiyo? Bhagavan apdi pannuvaara? Panna maatar. Bhagavan is very just, is nyayama pannuvaru. So Bhagavan is Bhayapaha means he will really remove the bhayam. But bhayam is not going from me, means something wrong in my understanding the Lord. இந்த மாதிரி பிரியமா வேண்டாமா? புரிஞ்சுக்கணுமா வேண்டாமா? This is called thinking. Yeah, my ajnanam is not going, my fear is not going. Something wrong in my approach, in my life, my priorities. So this is called analysis. And கொஞ்சம் யோசிக்கணுமே, புத்தியும் கொடுத்தார் இல்லையா பகவான். So that's why Bhagavan says, you are the cause for your life. If you don't think, you can make your life by thinking. You can mar your life by not thinking. You don't think properly. இதுதான் சின்ன லாஜிக் பாயிண்ட் புரியுறதா? இதுக்கு தான் விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாமம். Why I am teaching Vishnu Sahasranama? To make you to think even Bhayapaha. Once Bhagavan is the destroyer of fear, I have to be free from fear. I am not be free from fear means there is something wrong in my understanding. So I have to understand Bhagavan properly. Yes or no? இதுக்கு தான் மூளை யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லுது. Bhayapaha. Chaturashraha. 936. 935 over. No? Chaturashraha means Pumsam karmanurupam phalam prayachati iti. Pumsam karmanurupam phalam. Chaturashraha means the one who gives the karma phalam by 4 means. There are so many are there. Dharma, Artha, Kama are there. By Dharma, Artha, Kama, whoever wants Dharma, he will give dharmic life. Dharma, Artha, whoever wants, he gives Artha. Kama, whoever wants to fulfill their desire, he will fulfill the desire. Whoever wants moksha, he will give moksha also. So, 4 means Chaturashrahan. The one who gives the karma phalam according to their desire. Similarly, Artha Bhakta he will fulfill the desire. Artharthi Bhakta, he fulfills the desire. And Jignasu Bhakta, he fulfills what he desires. Jnani Bhakta, he fulfills. So, 4 Chaturashraha. The one who gives karma phalam through whatever means they worship, he gives same karma phalam, whatever comes to that. If I take big pot, I get more water. If I get more big pot, I get more water. Similarly, whatever way they want, according to their karma, he gives phalam. Very just and matter. Just and nyayam. Bhagavan, ரொம்ப நியாயமா கரெக்டா கொடுப்பாரு. கொஞ்சம் கம்மி இமே ஜாஸ்தி கிடையாது. நம்ம பண்ண கர்மா, அதனால வாட் எவர் ஐ எம் கெட்டிங் டுடே இஸ் மை கர்மா பலம். பகவான் த்ரூ பகவான் இட் இஸ் கமிங். இன்னைக்கு நான் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கேன்னா, ஓஹோ நல்லா கர்மா பண்ணிட்டேன், அதுக்கு தான் இது சிக்னல், இண்டிகேஷன். இன்னைக்கு துக்கமா இருக்கேன்னா, ஏதோ பாப கர்மா பண்ணிருப்போம், இது ஏன் பகவான் ஏன் கொடுக்குறான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓஹோ பகவான் நீ உங்கள் மூலமாக வருது, பகவான் மூலமாக வருது இந்த கர்ம பலம். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் சதுரஸ்ரஹ. பகவான் இஸ் ஒன் ஹூ கிவ்ஸ் த பெனிஃபிட் கர்ம பலம் by giving the benefit through their karma. Therefore, it is called Chaturashraha. Some more explanations are there. We will see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.